In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error in Google Sheets, #error, formula parse error. If you've ever typed a formula in Google Sheets and seen that bright red #error message with formula parse error, it means Sheets can't understand what you wrote. The good news is, this is usually a quick fix once you know what to look for. Most of the time, the issue comes down to punctuation or structure, missing commas, missing parentheses, or just using the wrong formula syntax. Start by clicking the cell with the error and looking closely at the formula bar. Read it slowly, left to right. Ask yourself, are my arguments separated correctly? Do I have every opening parenthesis matched with a closing one? And did I use the right symbols for ranges? A classic example is a sum across a range. If you write each sum A1, A5, Sheets doesn't know what to do with the space between A1 and A5. To define a range, you need a colon. So the correct version is each sum A1, A5. That colon tells Sheets to include everything from A1 through A5. The same idea applies in other functions too. Commas separate different arguments, while colons define continuous ranges. Next, check your parentheses. Every function call needs parentheses around its inputs, and the number of opening and closing parentheses must match. If you start with one left parenthesis, make sure you finish with one right parenthesis. When formulas get longer, it helps to count them or move your cursor across the formula. Sheets will highlight matching pairs so you can spot a missing bracket quickly. Now review your commas. Functions that take multiple arguments, like conditions and results, need commas between each argument. If you forget a comma or put an extra one, Sheets can't parse it. Keep in mind that some locales use semicolons instead of commas, so use whichever your sheet expects, but be consistent. Finally, confirm the overall syntax for the function you're using. Each function has a specific pattern for arguments and ranges. If something looks off, compare your formula to a simple known good example and adjust punctuation first. Often rewriting a short, clean version, like sum A1, A5, helps you see what went wrong in a longer formula. To recap, scan for missing or extra commas, make sure your ranges use colons instead of spaces, and confirm that all parentheses are correctly opened and closed. A careful, character-by-character review almost always clears a formula parse error. With that approach, you'll go from #error to accurate results in no time.